What's up guys, Upcycle the Past here. On today's episode I will show you the progress on the Mark 1 Golf. Even though it's not a lot of progress, it's going really slowly because the guy who is working on it has a couple of more projects ongoing, so it will take a little bit of time. But I talked with him and he promised me that until the summer the car should be done. I don't know, I'm really hopeful. Other than that, I will show you a couple of stuff that I got for the Mark 1 during the winter. If you like my content, please consider subscribing, liking the video, leave a comment, and stay tuned for more. Okie dokie guys, so I wanted to show you a couple of things that I bought during the winter for the Mark 1 Golf. So here are 4 doors, 2 front and 2 for the back. These don't have surface rust on them, they barely have any rust, because I don't know if you remember, but in my first video when I showed you the project, the Mark 1 Golf, I basically said 100 or more times that this car only has some surface rust, no biggie. Well, yeah, but after a couple of weeks I realized that this is not surface rust, this is rot. And to replace, let's see, if I wanted to save this door, I would have to replace this whole lower panel, which is a pain, and also here at the seals the same thing, so it's not worth it. They don't have any dents and stuff like that on them, so it's a shame that we need to scrap them, but it's not worth repairing this or that or that. So I bought these 4 for a whopping $20 a piece, and they are in amazing condition for the price. So they do have a little bit of rust here and there, but this is actual surface rust. Hey guys, so here's Sophie, the Wunderhund. Say hi to the people, Sophie. Don't be shy. Don't be shy. And the other thing that I had to buy, I wanted to buy, it's a spare part for the spare wheel, because also when I started my welding project on this car, I realized that I'm a piece of shit at it and I don't have the equipment and I totally butchered it. So I bought this one. This was also 20 bucks from the same guy. And it has a patch repair here with a really old technique, but it's really good. So I will simply grind it down and I will grind everything down and I will drill the spot welds and I will restore the spare wheel well separately, and then I will ask the welder to replace it, because this is a way, because I cut out almost half of it because I'm really smart and I didn't do a really good welding job and it's awful and it will rust, and this is a way better option. You can find spare parts like this, which is rare to find new one, on Heritage Parts, but it's $300 plus shipping. And bear in mind that I paid $200 for the car, so I will not spend that much money. And also, here are the two wheel options. These are some really cool 13-inch OZ series, not series, but series. I don't know how it's pronounced in English. They have this awesome lip. I don't know how the car will look on 13-inch wheels after I lower it just a little bit. And oh, so these were 40 bucks. A good friend of mine found these bad boys and sold them to me for 50 bucks. These are Mark II G60 steel rims. They are heavy, but after a sandblasting and a repaint, they look really cool, especially on a Mark I Golf. So yeah, and also, I forgot to mention this. This is a Renault Twingo top, which I bought for 40 bucks from another friend. I will put a video from his channel in the corner. He's called Mercedes and he's a Mercedes fanatic, so go check it out. I'm not sure about this, if I want to chop the top of the Mark I or not, but we shall see. Leave in the comments if it would be a cool mod for the Mark I to have a panoramic soft top. So, that's all for today's episode, guys. Thank you for watching it. Thank you for being super patient with this restoration project. As you maybe all of you know, it's really hard restoring a car, especially if you're lacking some of the crucial skills like welding. So, yeah. Don't forget to like and subscribe, leave a comment, and see you next time. Take care, guys.